What's in the shop this week?
Alright guys, well it's barely May, and we've already shipped out almost a dozen swamp coolers all over the world. A couple of Thermadors, Deluxo kits built, a bunch of Deluxo kits. We've even got a swamp cooler shipped to us for restoration right here, so I figured I'd open it up with you guys. Looks like this person packed it well. Let's get a box to put these peanuts in. You also put a towel on the bottom. Decent way to pack this. So, a pretty decent dent there. Fill cap on the back, no vents on the back. I think this might be like an all-state. It's got a set of brackets, no window guard on the front, or on the bottom rather. And let's see. Basket appears to be jammed, but also there's a lot of peanuts in there, so who knows what it is. It's in here for a new basket anyways. Don't know if he wants me to repaint it, but so we'll pop that dent out. Another little one right there. Small one on the bottom. Other than that, looks pretty good. So, go ahead and take this thing apart and put a new filter in it.
Alright, now usually I'm showing you guys a gross filter that needs to be replaced. Now this one's not that gross, but you can see it's shrunk over time, and it's got giant holes and you can see right through the filter. So this new filter is packed completely full, can't see through it anywhere, and it's doesn't have any holes in it, so this is going to be so much more efficient. It's going to cool a lot better. So that's another reason you got to replace your filters. Here's a cooler with the fresh filter inside, new screen on the front, and good functioning recoil in it now. So now we can head on over to this Porsche, and the last time it was in for service, they told me it needed a bunch of fluids replaced, so I figured I'd take care of it myself and use the special bleeding suction tube I have to take all the fluid out of the reservoirs, and then we can just top back off the reservoirs and get most of the fluid changed that way. Do that a couple of times, and that'll give the fluid a good flush. Save a bunch of money that way. If you guys like watching this video, make sure you're subscribed, give me a thumbs up, let me know what you thought in the comments below, and check out some of my other videos in this playlist below. I'll catch you guys next time.